Today is Rakhi, that's why we planned a night out kind of thing. After so long, we four are together. We five are together. So we have decided to make veg momos because it's Rakhi, of course. We didn't eat non-veg, so we had a nice time. It was too late because in between we had lots of gossip and our first batch of momos are ready at 2 a.m. Can you imagine, guys? Really, it was 2 a.m. and after so many chit chat, we are off to bed at 4 a.m. So if you are followed my videos, then you know what's the vibes when we four are together. So yes, we had a great time and our momo is ready and Dodo helped us a lot. And yeah, our momo is ready, stuffed with paneer and lots of veggies. It was delicious, guys. Really, it was delicious, as always.